Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a package in. It's molds. And they're for Christmas. So let's see what they look like. And this, like I said, these are for Christmas. I got bored with the ones I already had, so. Wow. Sorry about the noise. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, 3D snowman. That looks kind of cute. They look like they take a lot of resin too. That's not half bad a deal. Hope. Little ornament, little 3D ornament. Stocking. I got a lot of plans for these. Angel, probably not going to use that one. Christmas tree with trees in it. I actually kind of like that. A snowflake, another Christmas tree, a reindeer, another Christmas tree, a heart, and a bell. This wasn't bad. I think this was like $7. And here comes another set. Christmas bells, one with a tree and one with a deer. Let's see. They're a lot bigger than what I thought they were. This says Mary? Mary in it. That's cute. Little bauble with a snowflake. Christmas tree. I could turn that into a hanging ornament. Just drill a hole in it. I can do that. Snowflake. Little fat snowflake. And you already seen one of these. I already have one of these, so that makes two. Not a bad deal. Little reindeer. Another snowflake. So, another snowflake. This one I don't mind. I think it's nice and hefty. It's really nice. And a tag. That says, well, I won't be bored and my demoldings won't be so bad for the next couple of weeks. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and buy me some coffee once in a while. Have a great day. Namaste.